जी मैं दिल अपना पाकिस्तान के साथ और कैनेडियन मुस्लिम मीडिया के साथ इंतखाब है अदील ड्यूटनी के साथ अदील एज a newly elected president of BCMA we congratulate you you are leading a Muslim community from today and you tell me about your vision a short vision here how you are going to do it.
I think the short version is BCMA is a great organization. We need actually to make it more modern, responding to the needs of the community. We need actually to work on the trust, but also changing the organization to really cater the needs of the Muslims as they are today, bring in more youth, education, but also in terms of infrastructure and investment is really to diversify the way how we do business as an organization.
I have one more question. You said about education and youth, which is our demand for the whole the community. Just one question. Last question is about the graveyard site within Surrey. How are you going to work on this one?
Absolutely, all the different issues that in BCMA we try, and the burial is one of the priorities, even actually the way how we're going to be managing it, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you very much for
Jazakallah khair.
Dil Apna Pakistan and CMMC. Thank you very much.
Jazakallah khair. Sorry, I have to.